Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ka Northeastern Hill University Students Union ha ka arflaiterik ulber arjar khat khandai kalapan ha perdano ya ka Varsity Fest arjar khat khandai ya ka bala ai kerteng meraki ya ka bala penlong baro sitio kenti ha plau jongkane school ba. Hakane ka sngi penha perda laidon lang ru chairman ka Northeast Students Organization uba Samuel Jirwa uba lalong u kongsan karbau president ka Langrin Youth Welfare Organization uba BS Lengdo ulalong usumbut kongsan bat kiwei kinong syakot sumubha. Lapan syong shit ya kani ka sngi da ka jingsha tanrai na ki samla pule naga kiba pule ha kani ka school ba bat kuntup ru ya ki jingrwai na ki samla pule.
In life, success is the pinnacle. But at the same time, it's also more important that we give our best effort in whatever we do. We might succeed, we might fail, but if we are given our best effort, we won't feel that guilty conscience anymore in our heart and in our mind. Yesterday, I came across a very short passage written, what are we known for? In this life, we might be known for academic achievement, a job position, a financial success, which will make others identify. But at the same time, the little work that we do for others, the making a difference in the lives of others, will be remembered long, even after we are gone. As I said, we have only one life, and let us use this life to its truest sense. We live a life not only for ourselves. First, we have to learn ourselves, but we have to live a life not only for ourselves, but to live a life for others, which include our family, our friends, our society, our community, and the state as a whole. God has given us this one life, and we should use this life to its fullest. You are all very fortunate that you get the opportunity to study here in the Northeastern Hill University. Thousands of students, they apply every year to be able to be enrolled in this university, but only few are selected because of the paucity of seats. And you are the fortunate few who can be enrolled in this university. And we are coming from different states, especially from the Northeastern region. And we know that the different states of the Northeastern region, we are still lagging behind in terms of infrastructure, in terms of development, and especially in terms of education. And I call upon each and every one of you to take this as a challenge, that after we have attained the expertise, the knowledge we have acquired from this university, when we go back to our own places, to all native villages, let us use whatever we have gathered information, the knowledge, so that other people in our village, in our community, can also gain from your expertise and from your knowledge. This will be one of the best services that we can do to your community, to yourself, and to the state as a whole.
dura, dímelo con la dieta, dura, yo te doy un 20 de dieta, dura, dura, dura.
Oh God, one more remix.
और सीटी बजाए, दिल धड़काए, सीटी बजाए, जीत सड़क पे नखुरक जाए, ओ करके इशारे, ओ लड़की, ओ लड़की, ओ लड़की आँख मारे, आँख मारे, ओ लड़की आँख मारे, आँख मारे, ओ लड़की आँख मारे।
तुषार कपूर की आवाज में कुमार सानू की आवाज में
ओ लड़की